I gotta try to fix this because, like, your girl looks hella pale. So now everything looks okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't noticed, I'm still using my phone to record my videos, so please bear with me. But anyways, I'm sure you've heard enough about that. Today, I am gonna share with you guys maybe one of the biggest Dollartree hauls I have ever done. So I recently moved out to, I guess you could call it the country. So in order to like go shopping, grocery shopping, any type of shopping, it's like 30 plus minutes. So luck would have it that the next town over has a Dollartree in it. So you know, I had to make a visit and I just happened to go totally ham sandwich. So why don't we get started so this isn't like 50 hours long, okay? And I do just want to add, I did get a very wide range of items there. So this is no one type of haul. This is an all over the place, everything you would ever need kind of haul. And another good thing is Dollartree went eco-friendly. So you have the option to go with plastic bags, or they'll give you brown boxes, which I think is awesome. And of course, remember, every single thing that I'm showing you was $1.25 only. I picked up a 3-pack of the Betty Crocker like plastic reusable Tupperware kind of things, because those are awesome for like pre-making your daily kind of like snacks if you're trying to stay away from like junk food and stuff. But if you want, I can do a whole dedicated video to that. Then I also picked up some garbage bags because you can never have too many. This was actually really cool. We were just browsing in the hygiene aisle because that's where you find all the makeup and the nail polish and all the fun stuff. And we happened to see this. And this is like an old-fashioned shaver. So I'm not 100% sure how it works, but I'm pretty sure there's 2 blades in there and you kind of have to shave like that. I don't know, but look how cool. It's like antique razor. So Josh is gonna try it out. I also grabbed some, my gosh, this is the most random haul ever. I also grabbed some fitted sheet grippers. They kind of like grab each side of the corner of the fitted sheet and it goes underneath your mattress, and these are elastic so it doesn't like, you know, pop up or get pulled up or whatever. It keeps them nice and secure. Then I also picked up 2 of these tumblers. This one is pretty neat because it has that like inner piece that you can put like oranges, lemons, strawberries, whatever. It's called an infuser. I'm probably not gonna use it for the infusing stuff. I'm gonna take that right out. And this one, how freaking cute is that with all of the little like confetti Canada leaves in there? I thought that was really cute because your girl is loving her matcha lattes. I substitute the coffee now with a matcha latte because I don't even use like normal milk. I use almond milk. But I don't know, if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, let me know. I can do a video for ya. I'm cool with that. Moving on to this big box. So we picked this insulated bag up for when, because we live out in the country, so if we want to like bring home food, has a pretty good chance of getting cold by the time we get home. So we hope that this little thermal bag helps that. So, and I'm sure it'll come in handy for many other things. Oh, I thought this was pretty cute. So the Dollar Tree had these little sets here, okay? You get a binder. It's not like a normal binder, it's a mini one with only 2 of the like rings in it. And then you get these little like packs that go inside of the binder. So this is the monthly planner. So I imagine all 12 months will be in this package here. Then they also had like the cool little divider one with sticky notes on it, so you can like mark certain pages or days. And of course they had a little like shopping list memo pad that you can add all into the binder. Boom. Now, wait a minute though, you had to pay $1.25 each thing. So the binder and then $1.25 for each of the little packets. But still, I thought this was so cute, and it's never a bad idea to like try to get organized, right? So why not? Then Josh also wanted to pick up his own little calendar so he can try to keep it in his work truck to try to stay organized and remember things, but I have a feeling that I'm still gonna be the reminder or the memo pad. Anyways, I also picked up some aluminum foil and plastic wrap because you know, that's the kind of stuff you run out of in your kitchen. We also picked up some long matches because these really come in handy when I'm lighting my really big candles. And I'm sure it's just good for whatever, right? I'm gonna save this box for last because this is like the funnest box of the whole haul. Then I also picked up these adorable kitchen tea towels. This one says, "It's so good to be home," because the new house, I absolutely love it. I love to be home. This one says, "Home is where the heart is." I even thought the colors were actually pretty nice. So, bam. I picked up a new mashed potato masher. I also picked up a, okay, I thought that was for iPhone. Whew. A charger cord for my phone. Oh, I totally forgot all about this. I also grabbed a like red laser pointer because all of my animals absolutely love playing with these. The cat and both of the dogs, so it can get pretty rowdy in my house when we bust out this. Then, of course, I always have to spoil my animals, so Mama got all of these fancy, neat little cat food treats. Gotta spoil my doggies, so they got 2 new squeaker balls. Oh yes, I forgot about this too. My cat used to hate catnip. I got her one of those like stockings with all of the cat toys in it, and there happened to be catnip in there. Holy Toledo, she absolutely loved it. So of course, when I seen this at the Dollar Tree, I was like, I better stock up because she gonna love it. I also picked up a cute little Finding Nemo sandwich container for Josh's lunches. He's gonna love it. Then, oh, I hit the jackpot for cell phone cases for my phone. So I got this really cool, like marshmallowy pink one. I also got this clear white. It's like white rim, but the whole case is like clear with that little design on the bottom. Then I got this really colorful, cool feather print thing. All $1.25. I couldn't freaking believe it. And I got the one that's on my phone right now. It reminds me of like an iPhone case. So I liked it. Oh yeah, and Josh also got a cell phone case too. It kind of looks like a cassette tape, you know, like those things Weird. Anyways, doesn't it kind of look like it? Cool, eh? Then I picked up a whole whack of like beauty stuff and like, oh my gosh, it was insane. So, first thing is this love statue, or why would I call it a statue? This love decoration. Let's just go with that. So I picked up this love decoration. I think it's pretty cute, and it was only $1.25. I also picked up this little candle holder, but I'm actually going to use it for my vanity for different like makeup products or pencils or lip liners or beauty blenders. I don't know yet, but I do know I needed it. Then, oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. There's this pink chrome love, but doesn't it look like it's like out of the balloon, like, you know, balloon animals, those big long balloons? Doesn't it look like it's written out of those? Oh, I thought it was so freaking cute. And I also picked up this. It's actually a little balloon animal dog. How freaking adorable! Okay, now it's time for the fun stuff. So first thing, I got 2 of these containers because they are so useful. They come in super handy all the time. I picked up this beautiful gold glittery fan. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, don't I just look so posh? I'm just kidding. But that's real cool. I'm gonna bring it with me like on warm days for sure. And I'm gonna definitely use this because your girl can get hot, okay? I grabbed a new pair of cuticle trimmers because I actually only have 1 pair and I always tend to be losing it, which I don't understand because I only have 1 like nail box. So I don't know, answer me that. I also picked up a new buffer block for my nails. I also grabbed some finger protectors because these come in handy when you're sewing, and they also come in handy when you're doing like beadwork and stuff like that, because I recently got into like looming, I think that's what it's called, making like bracelets on a loom, that kind of thing. So I had to get these because I keep poking my finger with the needle. Not fun. Then I also picked up a revitalized hair mask because your girl's hair is a bit dry. Then I also grabbed some nifty little snippets because these are going to be so freaking useful for like everything. Then I picked up a pumice for your like feet and heels and stuff. It's got the brush, the pumice rock, and I don't know, but do you ever use that, like the cheese grater side? I don't even think it would be that useful. I don't know. Let me know if you use that and how you use it, when you use it, because I don't know. I also grabbed some spray alcohol. This stuff is so handy. Give a couple sprays and boom, they're disinfected. I absolutely love this stuff. Okay, so we're getting down to the nitty gritty, but this is all the best stuff. So I grabbed this, this liquid lipstick. I've tried the Ariposa liquid lipstick before, and it's actually bomb. I have an entire video testing it out because it's that good. I'll leave it linked down below if you haven't seen it. I also picked up this ELF, the Dollartree that I went to was actually carrying quite a bit of ELF, but I grabbed this shimmering ivory white, iconic ivory eyeliner pencil. Holy shit, guys. But you see how bright those guys would be interested in seeing a nail video, like how I do them, what I use, all that kind of stuff, let me know down below. And I also picked up a black liquid eyeliner, that same Aliexpress brand, so maybe this will be a big hit too. Who knows? Then I went completely ham sandwich on nail things. So I was very surprised to see that they had nail tips, like natural ones, not like the white French tips, but you get 80 tips for $1.25. I thought that was a pretty good deal, so I grabbed a pack just to see if I like them, and if they're worth it, then I'll grab 100 packs. But these right here, these were the most excitement I had on that trip. Why, you ask? Because they had these. They are 3D bows that you glue or use gel onto your nails. Absolutely adorable. They're all different prints, and they got a rhinestone in the middle. And it was $1.25 each, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 10 in each, so I got 60 bows. But if you've been around for a while, you know I am pretty extra. So I like extra ass things. Anyways, guys, we finally finished the Dollartree haul. Your girl went ham, like way too ham. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you seen some really cool things at the Dollartree, and now you're gonna go check out the Dollartree. Anyways, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, you might as well follow me on all of my social medias. Those are linked down below in that wonderful, magical description box. Anyways, guys, I am going to end it here, but don't you worry. I'm going to see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.